I'm just redoing that part. Alright, this is our third example of benzene rings with substituents. In this case, we have two benzene rings, but they're not fused, so it's not considered polycyclic. We call this compound diphenylketone because we have a ketone group in the middle, which is acting as the paired molecule, and we have the two benzene rings, which are acting in this case as branch groups, as phenyl groups. I'd just like to point out here that, notice the spelling, it's not phenol, like the alcohol, it's phenyl with a Y. And there are two of these phenyl groups, so we call it diphenylketone. Now let's look at a last example with substituents. In this case, we have one benzene ring, a carboxylic acid group, and an alcohol. We call the compound, has quite a long name, 2-hydroxybenzoic acid. Referring to our handout, a benzene ring with just a carboxylic group is called benzoic acid. So this becomes our root. In some cases, for example, if we didn't have a carboxylic acid and only an alcohol, it would be called phenol, and phenol would occur at the end of the compound name. However, in this case, we have both an alcohol group and a carboxylic acid, and the alcohol group goes before this carboxylic acid. And because the root is with the carboxylic acid, we put the first carbon here, the second carbon at the alcohol group, and we call it 2-hydroxybenzoic acid. And those are all the examples for substituents. Now we'll be moving on to reactions.